No one's just watching.
So this is my house during Hurricane Katrina, and I really hope the water just goes in and kills all my family. Yeah, yeah, that's what I hope. Yeah, my name is Tommy Varcella, Varcella family. This is
Oh, serious?
this is where my house gets blown down by the great hurricane. Ooh, big scary water. I hope you drown my wife and infant child. Look at my fat Uncle Joe. Look at him just sitting there with his mustache. He's so gay. He's so gay. I hope he drowns. I hope he drowns. It's August 29th, 2005. I hope you die, Uncle Joe. Uncle Jimmy with the mustache. Only 'cause you remind me of Mario. Yeah, you suck at life. I hate you. I hate you and my family, Varcella. Yeah, we had a tornado. Yeah, that's right. That's right. We had a tornado, you dumb fuck. Smoke another joint, Uncle Johnny. Uncle Johnny finger fucks. Yeah.
Nine different
My
names.
my roof is blowing off with this water. But we got plenty to drink. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. That just killed my wife. Look, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you can see my infant child floating down the river. That's my getaway boat if you didn't see it. Alright, I'm going for a swim now.